How to contact USPS customer service. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to contact the USPS customer service. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the USPS website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Google page, I can just search for USPS customer support because that's what all we needed. We don't need to go to the website itself. So as you can see, upon searching, the Google will show you rightly away the contact number of the USPS customer service. So right here, you can call this number to talk to customer service of the USPS personally. So yeah, that's it. So if you want to find more about the USPS customer service, you can just scroll down until you find this website. As you can see, it says contact us. So just click that, and you will be redirected to the customer service page itself. So as you can see, you can email them, or you can find the post office, or you can check the postal holidays. So that's the way to contact the USPS customer service. So for example, I'm going to click emails, and I will be redirected to this page. So as you can see, if you're, for example, if I will ask for my package, about my package, if I want my if I for example, I'm inquiring an insurance of my package. So for example, like that, I'll need to contact them. I'll need to input my tracking number right here so that they can validate my response. And if I want another reason, for example, where's my mail, or I want to talk personally. If I want to have permits and book mails, I can just click any of these options, and rightly away they will show me how to contact them. So first, as I said earlier, I need to enter my tracking number, and after that I need to just complete all the steps right here to satisfy my request, or I need to complete until the confirmation. And yeah, that's it. So if I go back, as you can see, if I scroll down, I can also find another information about their contact service. So for example, I'm going to contact the customer care center. This is their number, and this is their hours of operations, or when and where I contact them. So yeah, that's it. So for example, technical support. So right here, I can also see the inform delivery address. All of this numbers, or all of the customer service numbers, are available right here. And yeah, they all already showed you everything right here. And if you're having some problems, or you have some certain questions that you want to ask, and you can just go to the USPS contact page right here, and they will accommodate you rightly away. So that's it. That's how you can contact the USPS customer service. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.